Welcome guys, today I am with the JBL Xtreme speaker and I'm gonna show you how you can move this speaker to the pairing mode. So at the first, you have to click on the power button once. Okay, and right now in the most cases, this button will change color and will start blinking on the blue. In my case, it's not happening, so we have to tap once on the Bluetooth button. As you can see right now, it's blinking, and it means that the device is visible to other devices. So when I enable Bluetooth on my phone and take a look for available devices, the JBL Xtreme will appear. So when I click once, after a few seconds, I will be connected by accepting the pairing request. And that's how you can make it step by step. As you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.